Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, I'm gonna do a live withdrawal from Vichain app. So if you haven't joined, my dear, we are making money here, and right now I'm about to do my fourth withdrawal. People are joining, people are making money, people are joining, people are making money. So if you wanna make money, check on the description of the video. You can watch other videos about Vichain. Join, let's make money together. Okay, so I'm gonna do a live withdrawal. I'm first going to change the 82.83 VET coin I have to into USDT. Then they're gonna join 7.5 USDT. So I'm gonna withdraw everything. So first I'm gonna go to exchange. So I'm going to exchange everything, and you can see it worth 2.48 USDT. So I'm gonna click on confirm so that it can be exchange or swapped. So redemption successful. So I'm gonna go back to my wallet, and now see I'm having 0 VET coin, and I'm having 9.98 broken in my brokerage wallet, that is 9.98 USDT. So I'm gonna click on withdraw right here. So I'm gonna withdraw. You can see my account is bind already, so I'm gonna use BEP20 app here. So I'm gonna click on all because I want to withdraw everything. Remember, the minimal withdrawal is 2 USD. Guys, this is my fourth withdrawal on Vichain from Vichain wallet. So I'm gonna use my Binance. So we're gonna check on our Binance. I think I'm having 25 USDT in there. So I'm gonna add on these two. So I'm gonna click on security to put my password. So after putting my password, I'm gonna click on confirm. Yes guys, so I've withdrawn, and right now I'm having 00 USDT in my account. So we can check on financial records to see brokerage wallet. You can see withdrawal deduction of 9.98 USDT. Okay, and you can see I exchanged my VT coin just right here, and it has arrived. Imagine it's arriving within seconds, not even a minute. So let us check together. Let us check together. You can see Binance is notifying me like your deposit of 9.98 is currently processing. So let us wait for Binance to process it. Yes. So guys, let us check if Binance has finally received our withdrawal. Right here guys, you can see deposit successful. So let us go to Binance together. Mommy, okay, don't mind my baby. Okay guys, so you can see my Binance here. So let us open my Binance. As I said, I had some 22 or I think 25 USDT. So let us check what I have right now. Okay, I'm having 35. You can see the number has increased. Mommy, keep quiet. What is it? You can see the number has increased. So let us check if it was really added. So you can see right here, this was my this is my yesterday evening withdrawal. So we're gonna click on 9.90 that I made a withdrawal, and you can see right here it has arrived successfully guys. So it's real, it's real, it's real. So guys, why not join? Why not join? Why not join? Why not join? Join immediately. You can also join our group for more updates guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials like this.